What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's westbound Sunset Limited is led by Amtrak 15.
Wait, did you say Amtrak 15?
Yeah, that Amtrak 15. Let's hit the rewind button. Moving back to present day, the horn on Amtrak 15 still sounds good years later. Check it out. See the Phase 7 baggage car? Here are some photos to share with you of my catches of Amtrak 15. That's gonna do it for this episode. Make sure you hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch y'all later.